located over northeastern Denver, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs.
Sighting in trees.
Locations impacted include Denver, Western Aurora, Lakewood, Thornton, Arvada, Westminster, Centennial, Broomfield, Northeastern Highlands Ranch, Commerce City, Northeastern Littleton, North Glen, Brighton.
I know that there's a severe thunderstorm warning. That's why my radio, you idiot.
Golden, Louisville, Greenwood Village, and Federal Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Wind damage with this storm will occur before any rain or lightning.
I'll send you vid.
Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover.
Since we're also in the middle.
Find a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Okay then.